How to install Python package from GitHub? I want to use a new feature of HTTP. This feature is in the GitHub repo, this URL, but not in the release on the Python package index, this URL. How can I install the HTTP package from the GitHub repo? I tried. But I got an error could not unpack. In Node.js, I can install packages from GitHub like this.
You need to use the proper Git URL. Also see the VCS support section of the pip documentation. Don't forget to include the egg equals part to explicitly name the project, this way pip can track metadata for it without having to have run the setup.py script.
To install Python package from GitHub, you need to clone that repository. Then just run the setup.py file from that directory.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.